How to backup data in Telegram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily backup data in Telegram. So first thing, just head over to your Telegram application and just click on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. So once you're inside here, just tap on settings, and from over here what I want you to do is just click on this data and storage option. As you can see, just tap on it. So once you're inside here, make sure you have enabled all of these three options over here when roaming and when connected to the Wi-Fi and when using mobile data. So what it basically does is it automatically download your media folder or medias under your Wi-Fi or data on your device. So once you do all of that, you can also try to save to the gallery of for your private chats or groups or channels. So it depends upon you. And once you do all of that, your Telegram chat or Telegram data should be successfully backed up in the Telegram when you log in, when you try to log in using different account in the different device. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.